Mornings used to be hell for my partner and I, all thanks to my snoring. But then we found Z Quiet. Every morning, we were both exhausted and grumpy. My snoring was ruining our mornings, our mood, and sometimes even interfering with important events in the day. That's why Z Quiet has been an actual godsend. We ordered the starter pack that comes with 2 sleek mouthpieces in different sizes and a storage box. From the first night, it worked like magic. No more snoring. It doesn't need molding, and it has a soft, flexible feel. Z Quiet's mouthpieces are not only effective, but also super comfortable to wear all night. Now mornings are back to being my favorite part of the day, all thanks to Z Quiet. Get your starter pack now and discover the difference it makes.